Hi students, welcome back to Jaginfo channel. Today we will learn general knowledge questions from the previous papers 2018, 2019 and 2020 and other previous papers. If you know the answers, pause the video and comment below. Now start the questions. Which among of the following is not an Indian sport? Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, hockey, rugby. Answer rugby. Next question. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is Sardar Patel. Next question. Deficiency of iodine causes. Options: goitre, malaria, cataract, scurvy. Answer: goitre. Hirakud Dam is built on the river. Options: Kaveri, Mahanadi, Krishna, Sutlej. Answer is Mahanadi. Next question. 1024 kilobytes is equal to option 8 bits, 1 megabyte, 1 gigabyte, 1 byte. Answer is 1 megabyte. Next question. Those who study things that were made and used in the past, these people are called options: biologist, geologist, archaeologist, doctor. Answer is archaeologist. Next question. What is the ratio of width to the length of national flag of India? Options: 4:5, 2:3, 1:1 and 5:6. Answer is 2:3. Next question. Where is Wagah border located? Option: Longiwala, Rajasthan, Rann of Kutch, Gujarat, Moreh, Manipur, Amritsar, Punjab. Answer is Amritsar, Punjab. Next question. Out of the following list of Paramveer Chakra awardees, who was awarded with PVC during Kargil War? Option: Left Colonel Adashir Bujoji Tarapur, Lieutenant Arun Ketarpal, Captain Vikram Batra, Mas Somnath Sharma. Answer is Captain Vikram Batra. Next question. Which state among the following has adopted Sanskrit as its one of the official languages? Option: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Uttarakhand. Next question. Who is the current Vice President of India? Sri Narendra Modi, Sri Venkaiah Naidu, Sri Arjun Jaitley, Sri Ramnath Kovind. Answer is Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Next question. A medical practitioner specializing in children and their diseases. Option: geologist, pediatrician, cardiologist, neurologist. Answer: pediatrician. Next question. A group of stars is called a. Options: solar system, planets, constellations, comets. Answer is constellations. Next question. Which gas, when solidified, is commonly known as dry ice? Options: carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen peroxide. Answer: carbon dioxide. Next question. The members of the Rajya Sabha can have a maximum tenure of how long? Options: 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 2 years. Answer: 6 years. Next question. P. Gopi Chand is associated with which sport? Options: badminton, cricket, football, hockey. Answer: badminton. Next question. Which of the following company doesn't sell mobiles? Options: Apple, BSNL, HP, Sony. Answer is BSNL. Next question. A vehicle capable of traveling over land and water is called? Options: hovercraft, rovercraft, movercraft, car. Option is hovercraft. Next question. The space programming of Government of India is looked after. Options: ISBT, NTRO, NABARD, ISRO. Answer is ISRO. The motto of the Indian Navy is? Options: Sarvatra Sarvottama Suraksha, Shyam No Varuna, Valor and Wisdom, Nabas Sparsa Deeptam. Answer is Shyam No Varuna. Next question. Which is the largest gland in human body? Salivary gland, lungs, liver, stomach. Answer is liver. Next question. Who has written Sare Jahan Se Acha? Options: Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Muhammad Iqbal, Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Next question. Which is the deepest ocean? Options: Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Next question. Who fixes the salaries and the allowances of the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Options: Council of Ministers, President, Parliament, Judge of Supreme Court. Answer is Parliament. Next question. Which article of Constitution provides Indian citizen right to equality? Options: Article 12, Article 13, Article 17, Article 14. Answer is Article 14. Next question. Black soil is also known as? Options: regular soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil. Answer is regular soil. Next question. PV Sindhu is associated with which sports? Options: badminton, cricket, football, hockey. Answer is badminton. Next question. The space programming of Government of India is looked after by? Options: ISBT, NTRO, NABARD, ISRO. Answer is ISRO. Next question. Bakranangal project is built on the river. Options: Satluj, Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri. Answer: Satluj. Next question. The longest river in South India is? Options: Mahanadi, Indus, Saraswati, Godavari. Answer is Godavari. Next question. Which planet is known as a morning star as well as evening star? Options: Mars, Venus, Mercury, Earth. Answer is Venus. Next question. Which article of Constitution provides Indian citizen right to equality? Options: Article 12, Article 13, Article 17, Article 14. Answer is Article 14. Narora Nuclear Power Plant is located in the state of options Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which of the following disease spreads through contaminated food and water? Options malaria, cholera, dengue, filaria. Answer is cholera. Next question. Which is biggest desert in the world? Kalahari Desert, Atacama Desert, Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert. Answer is Sahara Desert. Next question. Manas National Park is located in the state of options Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Answer Assam. Next question. Which of these grows from the roots? Options potato, ginger, carrot, sweet. Answer carrot. Next question. Sahyadris is also known as options Aravali, Western Ghats, Himadri, Eastern Ghats. Answer is Western Ghats. Next question. The gas filled in a weather balloons is options neon, helium, argon, oxygen. Answer is helium. Next question. Growing children need more of carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats. Answer proteins. Next question. Which gas is dissolved under pressure in soft drinks? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Answer is carbon dioxide. Next question. Who is the lowest ranked Air Force officer among these? Wing commander, group captain, flying officer, flight lieutenant. Answer is flying officer. Next question. Which of the following is a national festival? Options Vaisakhi, Republic Day, Pongal, Chhat Puja. Answer is options economics, peace, chemistry, literature. Answer is economics. Next question. The imaginary line drawn halfway between North Pole and South Pole is called options Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Answer is Equator. Next question. The largest island in the world is options Australia, New Zealand, Greenland, Mozambique. Answer is Greenland. Next question. The coldest place in world lying in the south frigid zone is options Greenland, Antarctica, Australia, New Zealand. Answer is Antarctica. Next question. Who invented telephone in 1876? Options Alexander Graham Bell, James Hickey, Guglielmo Macron, Logie Baird. Answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Next question. Gomer is a popular folk dance of which of the following states? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Rajasthan. Next question. Which feature helps a coconut fruit to float in water? Options a fibrous outer covering, a spongy part, presence of hook, presence of spine. Answer is a fibrous outer covering. Next question. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Options: chickenpox, beriberi, common cold, measles. Answer is beriberi. Next question. The rabies virus is carried by options: cockroaches, hens, dogs, rabbits. Answer is dogs. Next question. Milk turning sour is a options: physical change, reversible change, chemical change, none of these. Answer is chemical change. Next question. The wearing of or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called options: storm, flood, soil erosion, deforestation. Answer is soil erosion. Next question. Whales and dolphins are classified as options: fishes, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. Answer is mammals. Next question. The working of the internal organs of our body is controlled by this system. Options: reproductive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous. Answer is nervous. Next question. A person might faint if his heart doesn't send enough blood to his options: feet, liver, kidneys, brain. Answer: brain. Next question. The upward push of water on a floating object is called options: buoyant force, volume, density, pressure. Answer is buoyant force. Next question. The first artificial satellite launched by India in 1975 was options: Sputnik, Aryabhatta, Charaka, INSAT. Answer is Aryabhatta. Next question. Those who study earthquakes are called options: geologists, seismologists, astronomers, astrologers. Answer is seismologist. Next question. Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas? Options: carbon dioxide, oxygen, methane, CFC. Answer is oxygen. Next question. The model of the earth is called a options: circle, sphere, globe, marble. Answer is globe. Next question. Agriculture cannot be practiced on mountains on a large scale as they options: are thinly populated, have a shortage of land, have a thin soil cover, have unsuitable climate. Answer is have a thin soil cover. Next question. The condition of the atmosphere at a given place and time is called options: season, climate, altitude, weather. Answer is weather. Next question. The highway of Central Africa is another name for options: River Nile, River Congo, River Jimbani, River Congo. Answer is River Congo. Next question. Most of the grasslands of the world are found in options: tropical zone, temperature zone, torrid zone, frigid zone. Answer is temperate zone. Next question. Any sound louder than 90 decibels can cause options: asthma, digestive problems, typhoid, loss of hearing. Answer is loss of hearing. Next question. Aligarh Muslim University is associated with options: Rabindranath Tagore, Tansen, Kalidas, Syed Ahmad Khan. Answer is Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question. The English government introduced the policy of divide and rule to options: educate India, encourage nationalism, reform Indians, suppress nationalism. Answer is suppress nationalism. Next question. Purna Swaraj means options: non-cooperation, civil disobedience, boycott, complete independence. Answer is complete independence. Next question. The Lok Sabha can have a maximum of 12 members, 552 members, 238 members, 543 members. Answer is 552 members. Next question. The League of Nations was formed to prevent destruction, loss of lives, droughts, another world war. Answer is another world war. Next question. The world has been made smaller due to options: wheels, steam engines, fast means of transport, cars. Answer is fast means of transport. Next question. Internet is a source of information on options: documentaries, email, any topic, a few topic. Answer is any topic. Next question. What is the name of the Space Center of India? Answer: Indian Space Research Center, ISRO. Study of coins is known as. Answer: numismatics. Study of coins is known as numismatics. Army Day is celebrated on which date? January 15th. Next question. First Indian and Asian to win Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian to win Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna. Mother Teresa. First dam in India. Answer is Kalnai Dam, built across the river Kaveri, Tanjavur. Next question. Magnetic Hill is located in Leh Ladakh. Magnetic Hill is located in Leh Ladakh. Next question. First Indian to go up in space. Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to go up in space is Rakesh Sharma. National fruit. Mango. Our national fruit is mango. National animal. Our national animal is tiger. National heritage animal of India. Elephant. National heritage animal of India is elephant. National aquatic animal of India. Dolphin. National aquatic animal of India. Dolphin. National river. Answer is the Ganga. Our national river is Ganga. Father of the nation. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Our father of the nation is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. National tree. Banyan tree. National flower. Lotus. National bird. Indian peacock. National currency. Indian rupee. national flag, Tiranga. National anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. National song, Vande Mataram. National reptile, King Cobra. Thank you students for watching this video. All the best for your exam. If you like this video, like, subscribe and comment.